Hello, my name is Habib, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
This is the approved used Audi SQ7. This model has a V8 TDI engine, tiptronic gearbox, and Quattro 4-wheel drive system, while it's finished in the optional metallic Orca Black paintwork. Under the bonnet, you'll find the twin turbocharged 4-litre V8 TDI engine, producing 435 PS and delivering 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds, as well as an impressive top speed of 155 miles per hour. Starting at the front of the car, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Around the side we have the optional 22-inch 5V-spoke Audi Sport alloy wheels with the optional red brake calipers, while there's aluminium effect door mirrors, aluminium window trims and roof rails for a sleek yet stylish look, with the rear privacy glass ensuring extra security for your rear seat passengers. Around the back you'll find the dual branch exhausts, which perfectly enhance the V8 diesel engine in this model. There's also LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, as well as a power operated tailgate, allowing easy access into the 295-litre boot space, which can be extended by folding the third row of seats down to 705 litres, so you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. Fold down the second row of seats, and there's 1,890 litres, so you can add in those even larger items, such as bicycles if you'd like. There's also the optional folding Towbar, which can activate via the button within the boot. This allows you to tow those larger items, such as caravans or bike trailers, which is perfect for those long road trips. Moving inside, you'll find Valcona leather upholstered rear seats with the integrated ISOFIX child seat mounting points, while there's a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, storage nets behind the front seats, climate control and power sockets. In the front you'll find a flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel and the optional carbon atlas inlays, while there's the optional Valcona leather upholstered front super sport seats, which are not only plush but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while they're electrically adjustable and include the 4-way electric lumbar support, memory function and the optional massage function. Additionally, we have the optional BOSE sound system, providing an immersive sound experience over the standard sound system, while the standout feature is the optional panoramic glass sunroof, not only uplifting the interior ambience, but also bathing the interior in sunlight, especially on those warmer, sunnier days. There's also the head-up display, which can adjust via the settings in the MMI touchscreen. This can display various information, including your speed, lane departure warning, and camera-based traffic sign recognition. Ahead of you, you'll find the 12.3-inch virtual cockpit with various display options, including DAB digital radio, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, while a flick view you can change the size of those dials. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch MMI navigation plus display screen, with functionalities including DAB digital radio, media controls for your connected device, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect your device media via wireless Apple CarPlay. There's Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the predefined modes, with a personal favourite being dynamic as it's most driver focused. There's a massage function for the front seats, which can tailor to your liking. You can adjust the mode, such as rest, shoulder and activation, while you can also adjust the intensity, so you can have the extra comfort and convenience on those longer journeys. There's the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, with predefined colour modes and 30 different colour options, so you can customise the interior to your preference. While there's also the optional 360-degree camera system, with various views for the front, rear and side, including front and rear dynamic guidelines and 3D views for the added reassurance when parking or navigating through tight spaces. Lower down you'll find the display for the optional 4-zone climate control with plenty of adjustment to your preference, while there's heated front seats for the added benefit on those cold winter mornings. The front seats are also optionally ventilated, so you can be cooled on those warmer, sunnier days. Not only that, but there's also the phone box with wireless charger underneath the armrest, allowing you to easily charge your mobile device while on the go.
This vehicle will come with a minimum 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. For more information, please contact us on 01772 911 331 or inquire online now.